Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get Bitcoin by doing surveys. And the website that I'll be showing you to get free Bitcoin on is CryptoWin. And with CryptoWin.io, all you'll have to do is simply sign up and watch ads or do surveys or complete offers, and you'll be able to get free Bitcoin. And if I should tap on their payment proof option, you can see that persons are getting paid as we speak, as today is the 12th of September, and you can see that numerous persons have earned free Bitcoin today and have withdrawn it, as you can see right here. Now, how is this possible? Well, first you are going to tap on login in the top right hand corner, and after tapping on login you will be able to complete some offers and also some surveys, and from there you'll be able to earn some Bitcoin. As you can see right here, earn Bitcoin by doing literally nothing, just completing a simple catchy, or by doing paid surveys, or if you have Bitcoin already, you can transfer it to CryptoWin and you'll be able to earn interest on your Bitcoin. And the amount that you earn on CryptoWin, you can also leave it in your wallet and you'll be able to earn interest on it also. As you can see here, earn with revenue program, get some shares and earn a daily passive income. And you can also earn by referring persons. As you can see, get minimum 50% from all your referrals and earn additional income. So there are numerous ways to earn free Bitcoin when it comes to CryptoWin.io. And you can see right here, earn Bitcoin while you sleep, receive 126% total return by investing with their revenue share program. So this is definitely a website you can give a try if you want to do surveys and get paid via Bitcoin. And the beauty about this website is it's available worldwide. So once you have reliable internet access, you can visit CryptoWin.io and give it a try to start earning some free Bitcoin.